In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an email subscription pop-up to your Wix website. First, let's get into the Wix editor. Head to wix.com, log in, and choose the website where you want the pop-up. Click Edit Site to open the Wix editor. This is where all the changes will happen and where you can see your design update in real time. Now let's add the pop-up. In Wix, pop-ups are called lightboxes. On the left-hand toolbar, click Add or Add Elements, then go to Interactive and select Lightbox. You'll see a variety of templates. Pick one that fits your site's style and drag it onto the page. A lightbox sits on top of your content, dimming the background so the message stands out, which makes it perfect for capturing email signups. With the lightbox selected, customize the design so it feels on brand and inviting. Update the headline and body text to something friendly, like join our mailing list or get the latest updates. Keep it short and clear about what visitors get. Adjust the background color or image to match your brand and make sure the text has enough contrast to be readable. Tidy up the layout and spacing so everything feels balanced, and change the button label to something action-oriented like subscribe or sign up. Take a moment to check the mobile view as well and ensure the close button is easy to see. Next, add the subscription form inside the pop-up. Click Add, choose Contact and Forms, and select Subscribe or Subscribe Form. Drag the form into the lightbox. In the form settings, make sure you're collecting email and set it as required. You can optionally add first name or last name if you want to personalize emails later, but keeping the form simple often improves sign-up rates. Also confirm that the email field is set to validate the email format so you capture clean addresses. Let's decide when the pop-up appears. Select the lightbox and find the Set Triggers option. You can show it on page load, which displays it as soon as a visitor lands, or after a delay, such as 5 to 10 seconds, which can feel less intrusive. You can also specify which pages it appears on, maybe just the home page or across all pages, depending on your goal. When you're happy, click Save to confirm your settings, then Publish in the top right to make it live. Visitors will now see the pop-up when they arrive or after your chosen delay, and can enter their email to join your list. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.